channel. Now today I will be making spaghetti and ground beef. This meal is my favorite meal, and today I am going to show you how I make this spaghetti and ground beef. Continue to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the videos, and comment on the videos. Now, come on over with me and I'll show you how I prepare this ground beef and spaghetti. So I'll season the beef, right? Put whatever season you want on it. So I'm using some all-purpose seasoning, a little paprika, a little cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a part of my seasoning because you know cayenne pepper is very good for you. It helps you to lose weight. And it also boosts your metabolism. So it is good to use cayenne pepper when preparing your meals. So this I will just leave to go ahead and marinate and cut my vegetables. Now, here I have some oil, just a little oil in the pot, and I'll allow it to heat, and then I'll add my vegetables. Here I'm using some green onions, red and green bell peppers, a little thyme to bring out the flavor in the beef, some onion, garlic. So we'll put this in the oil and saute it, and then we add the beef. Turn the stove on medium heat. And just allow this to saute in the oil. Now you can smell the thyme and the seasoning, the garlic, the onion, the sweet peppers. Then I'll add my beef. And I will allow this to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Cover it. You're not going to add any water to it because the water in the beef will cook it. Right? So you just allow that to cook. I like when my seasoning, I can see my seasoning in my meat. Just look colorful. This is how I like it. Right? So So I'll just cover this and get back to you. Yes, so see, spring its own water and oil, right? So it's just cooking. I just allow it to cook. Okay. Alright, so I'm using a can of pasta sauce. And to that I will add a 1/3 cup of sugar. I will allow this to cook. And then I add my spaghettis. Yes. So this is cooking fine. Look at that. Look at the color. Now at this point you would add your cheese, but I am not adding any cheese because I'm watching my waistline. So I will add my pasta that I cooked. This is a angel ear pasta. So I'll just add my pasta. And just give it a stir. Turn off the heat because my pasta is already cooked. Just add the amount of pasta that you need. Then after, either share. Now I will just serve up some pasta on this layer of lettuce and tomatoes. Now, if you like this recipe, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the videos with your family and friends. and comment. Remember now, respectful comments. Happy holidays. One love. See you in my next video.